want to give you this for today to think on, and for your career, for your study, for your work after. Stop with replicating what people can do in AI. It's proven not to work. But start thinking of redesigning activities people do. That is where the real value lies. Forget about the tech when you think of ideas. Forget about the new model. The model will change in the next week. Then we will run to Google, then we will run to OpenAI, then we will run to Anthropic. That will not change. And probably there will be a new one in the next few weeks we never ever heard of. So when you are thinking about what you can build or what you have to do, don't think about the implementation in tech yet. Just set a broad vision.
What is the problem that we are having today? Well, it's quite easy. Everything that is free, well, you are the product. I think in Hank's session we were already talking about how over the last decades, all your information of everyone who has been using the internet or computers or devices, information has been collected about you. And now everything, if you use ChatGPT, the free version, well, that information is being used to make tools better.
AI is not the magic. And let us stop using it like magic. AI can make us a lot of money, but it's not magic. Put yourself in the process. Be part of the loop. You will even find this better. You'll find AI less frustrating. I know very many people are pulling back because they spend a lot of hours debugging, weeks and days and months, something that could have been done simply. Why? Because their prompts are vague. So just simplify it.
So an AI agent has three main parts. The first one is the LLM. So we have a large language model that will define what the agent does, right? So if you tell the agent to do this, the AI in itself will give the agent now the idea of what it's supposed to do and give you an output. And then we have the instructions. Every agent has a purpose, right? If you want to have a personal assistant, you need to give it a purpose.
Today's session that I gave was about agents, but also MCP, how you can actually use Model Context Protocol when you're building AI agents. So I took through students. I think there are over 250 or close to 300 students, which was a good thing. And some of them actually were introduced to this for the first time, and I really enjoyed it also, giving or sharing my knowledge and looking forward to events like this in Uganda that will build our student community who are trying to build themselves in the developer space.
My name is Musime Emily, one of the speakers from AgentCon. I've been blessed to be part of this team that has educated people on how AI operates. And I get to say, are we safe? Even though AI is here, are we still safe with it? I say yes. AI is 100% secure, and we get to show you how secure it can be.
What I need you to take away is anything is possible, anything can be built, and there is no such thing as everything has already been made. We have brains, we do more than AI. Literally, humans made AI.
My name is Christopher Benkana. Today I've been graced to be here at the AI Global event, AgentCon, here at Uganda Christian University, Mukono. It has been a very powerful event, so insightful, so much to learn from it. Every day I've been wondering certain things, and my friends, so many other people have been asking the same. Some have been saying, AI has come, it has come to take our jobs and all that. But guess what? Today I realized exactly what AI is. It's not all about our jobs. It's actually helping us create more jobs, actually helping us solve problems, ease our work processes and all that. For example, today I got to understand that even when I have a lot of work to do, I can even manage different AI agents to do my work. I just manage them. I just tell them what to do, what I want. The beauty here is, and the most important thing to know is, You must know what you want from this AI.